Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Fold 5 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Samsung. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Themes section. Now click on Themes next to Wallpapers at the bottom. Tap on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with 3. Now just click on the best theme for you, like this one, and tap on Download at the bottom. Finally, hit Apply. And as you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, access exactly the same settings. But this time select Menu at the bottom right corner and click on My Stuff at the top. Lastly, click on your default theme and hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!